Hey, what's going on YouTube? Here to start off with gold. Just want to reiterate the fact that we need to get for the month above this resistance at 1140. So to get there, we might be seeing some retracements before that happens. But if we're close, I mean it's right there. We look a little hesitant and a little extended on the daily, so I would maybe look for some retracements. Best to stay above the 8, but it could retrace, I mean, all the way back to the 13. It just kind of conked out today, kind of stayed even lower. But the other markets, I think, were so bad that gold and silver, here's silver, didn't really have a chance to do anything great today. I would expect this 8 to cross the 13 anytime soon on the silver weekly, and price staying above that 8, riding it to maybe break of the previous high, 1460. Love to get about that 1550 mark. I think that first resistance on a monthly, we're looking at, we need to get above 1450 to start off the races. For anything on the monthly to start looking promising. Still not off the bottom here, even though the daily and the weekly are shaping up. Lots of work to do on the monthly, but holding my wishes up there, I think you could do it. The dollar is coming down to support again. See what happens in the next couple days. Today was really bad in the market, so maybe this thing will finally break down. I'm not sure, but it's definitely bearish. S&P is breaking below its previous break, which was 1900. So it closed below 1900. You could call that a bullish retracement as it broke up, because it is bouncing on support, and here's a previous low here. So anything below, there's that 1892, you might see some disaster. It's on a slippery slope, that is for sure. I mean, down 36 points today for most of the day. I mean, this thing on a weekly is, we've got a few days here on the week to close, but right now it is encompassing the previous candle, the week's candle. So it's bearish. See how the week closes out. You got to keep your eyes on this. It's breaking below this previous low, 1911. I would say breaking its own previous lows for the week is very bearish. And it's a very slippery slope. This thing is not looking good for the long term. And it's on a thread. Watch the previous lows all the way down to 1800 would be the final last draw for S&P before it broke down. And I think we stated earlier that around 1600 for the major bounce. Only because we got support over here. We got a double top over here. Lots of support there. So around 1600, bouncing, could easily drop that much in a week if it breaks down. I mean, look how top heavy that thing is. It's like the crest the wave crest, and it's very choppy. You get the white tops up here. Here's a white top, and here's another white top, and it's falling over like a wave. Don't know what else to say, but to hold on tight if that thing breaks down. Crude is breaking apart again. It closed below 30. And it continues to look bearish for the week. It just slammed into previous lows, and just nothing's holding it up from here. I mean, it's deadly, deadly ugly. Watch for previous lows, breaks, and take a ride if you want. That's what I say. And finally, the top-heavy dollar versus the yen currency chart. Let's see if I can get some perspective here. Looks like on a monthly, the 8 is crossing over on the 13 on a top. This thing can definitely fall down to its support in an instant. Everything is top heavy in the markets. I mean, everywhere you look. But I mean, that fall compared to the other falls in the markets, I mean, that's peanuts compared to the other. But that was straight up, and I would look for ultimately a 50% rule retracement. So 20 points down. That's all I got today. Keep your eyes on silver and gold. See if you can pick up some more physical. Eventually this whole paradigm is going to come tumbling down. Confidence is leaving. Even the elections yesterday, votes were missing and all sorts of crap. I mean, this country is so corrupt and so lost its way that it's inevitable that Rome is going to burn. So good luck out there. Be safe, and pick up as much physical as you can. I mean, that's on a weekly chart. Gold, if we can close above that 1140 on a weekly chart, I mean, we can see this thing continue on this trend. And as I keep stating, this could be the final bottom where we get a true head and shoulders reverse pattern, upside down head and shoulders pattern that will just take us maybe to 1200 instantly. I mean, it seems fair. So that's all I got. Thank you for watching, and thanks for stopping by.